little ducks went out to play over the hills and far away. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only four came waddling back. Four little ducks, so where'd they go? Through the streams where the lilies grow. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only three came waddling back. Three little ducks, their feathers bright, swam in the pond till the moon gave light. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only two came waddling back. Two little ducks in the morning dew, playing hide and seek, oh what to do. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only one came waddling back. One little duck all alone out there, lost in the breeze in the open air. Mama duck called quack, 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 and no little ducks came waddling back. Mama duck cried quack, 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 her heart was heavy, the sky turned black. Then all five ducks came